Hey there, fellow mind, body, wisdom devotees and dowsing fans. This video is about regret and why it's important to release it, and the fastest way I know to get rid of regret. Now, I'll be honest, I had a very wild younger life, so I did a lot of things I never should have done, and thank God, I don't even know how I lived to be this age. Old as the hills and twice as dusty. But I live in Arizona, so that's to be expected, right? All right, so regret is just basically an emotion that we hold on to, wishing we hadn't done something, and quite often we blame ourselves, and that can cause all these problems. Look it up online. How does regret affect the body? It can screw up your mental process, of course, your self-esteem, you don't trust your own decisions, and of course it can mess up your immune system. All kinds of things can happen about regret, because it just means basically you made a lot of stupid decisions, what an idiot you are, things like that. You might also regret saying yes to someone for something, like loaning them a whole lot of money or getting into a relationship with them, whatever. So think of one thing that you really regret and write down whatever you'd like to. You can use special code in case you're afraid someone will find out. I've had a number of regrets. Basically, some horrible jobs I took. I knew it wasn't right for me to have this job, but man, I needed the money to pay my mortgage. And of course, people I've dated. Oh my God, desperate for love, especially after my dad died, and I just needed a guy to love me so much because I had a big hole in my heart. Think about what you regret, what you wish you hadn't done, and it's time to let it go, right? Just let it go. So we're going to clear the governing vessel meridian, of course. I now release this feeling of regret, wishing I hadn't done what I did, those jobs that I took because I was desperate, I needed money, and they were hell jobs and I suffered. I now let that all go now. There's no reason to hold on to it. I'm not taking any more hell jobs. I'm not letting people abuse me anymore. At work or volunteerism, taking advantage of me, treating me like crap on the job. I let this go now. All this regret. I did what I had to do, and I learned from it. And I'm stronger and more powerful than ever. I let go of my regret about relationships that I started with people who maybe I even knew were a little bit unsuitable. But again, I was craving love. I needed to feel loved because maybe I couldn't feel it in myself. But I'm not that person anymore. I let this all go now. And I fill myself with self-esteem, self-love, self-worth. I've gone through all these experiences and I'm better than ever, and so it is. So if you're a dowser, you can check and see. I'm going to just check quickly. I don't know what's going to happen. Human Colleen, not the I am. I have regret still about someone I've dated, about love, about money, about income, jobs I had, things that I bought. Okay, right now, no regret that I could see. Miss Dowsing, do you know what regret means? Always check that first. Not like me. Then let us check 15 minutes ago, regret. Over 100 regrets. Okay, so we just did a general clearing that cleared out all my regret. I hope it did for you too. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what happened with you, okay? It's always so exciting to read your experiments with your own self, and you can help your loved ones with this by running your hand over their head or even doing it remotely, focusing with love on them. Especially kids, man. Kids need help now. It's tough for them, and anything you can do to help them surrogately, no matter where they are in the world, I'm sure is very, very good for them. And if for some reason you're not supposed to be doing that, I've been told, and what I understand is their energy will reject it if they have maybe some karma to work out or something. So my website is emorescue.com. There's articles, ebooks, information, more videos for you, for your pets, for your human loved ones as well. I just want to help you along your path and show you how to do-it-yourself emotional rescues. You can do it, and you just saw it. It just takes a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Peace out. You are a treasure. Remember that and act like it. My website, emorescue.com, offers free ebooks, audios, videos, EFT charts, free charts, all kinds of information for your self-healing empowerment. Check it out today. Thank you.